Ito ang unang stopover namin sa Newcastle. Medyo napasok kami ng bayan at siyempre naman kami dito sa dito sa may beach. Talagang hinto kami sa Newcastle pero hindi dito sa Pacific Highway. Medyo, kaya lang medyo nakakuha kami ng ibang daan. Kaya kakain muna dito sa park. Ito na kami sa Tari. Katatapos lang kumain.
Ba't walang pan ito? Wala yung pinaka-ventilador niya, no? Ganyan, Ben? Oo. Yun ay isa lang. Malamig na. Yan.
Bago lang yung mga boss. Ikaw, sige, tatakpak. Patakip na lang kayo ng ano. Pwede nyo rin sa uli dito yung pinag-visa nyo. 1/4.
Ngayon ay Monday morning, nandito kami sa Coffs Harbor. Dito kami nag-stay overnight. Today is an Anzac Day. Ito ang apartment na tinaluyan namin. Ito ang room na aming tinulugan. Ito ang kwarto ng mga nanay.
Ma'am,
Naman kami, oh.
sasauli ba itong kwan?
Ito na ng bathroom at laundry. Ang kitchen. Nandito naman ang car park. Paalis na kami ngayon. Papunta kaming Big Banana Plantation. Si Eunice. Umiiyak. Ito si G.
Bakit na yung susi mo? Dahil
Ito si Nanay. Ready na naman kaming umalis. Ang Ate Lily. May dala na naman pagkain.
Hindi, ano ko, kakantingin lang.
Si Ate Norma, busy sa pag-aayos ng kanilang gamit. Punong-puno naman ang kanilang sasakyan.
yan, pwede na may susi ko yun. Susi ka lagi yun. Wala na.
Ito si Elo, ready na. Ito ang kotse nila Kuya Nick. Ito si Eunice.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Naku, marunong na palang kausap. Ang cute-cute naman. Hello, Eunice. Bye-bye. Ito si Ate Glory, dumadating. Ready na rin sa paglakad. Welcome to the Big Banana. Narito kami sa Coffs Harbor. Mamasyal sa Banana Tree Plantation. Ito si Elo, naka-pose.
Rival Car, the famous friendly Aussie character. In fact, Aussies are born first. We make visitors to our country feel welcome naturally. International tourism is now booming as a result. They were warned by the Aborigines against the bunyip, a strange creature which lives in deep water holes, or billabongs, and eats everyone who camps nearby. Really cool.
Its eyes are closed. No, Monstero. Look at that.
The roots dig into the soil and growing our vegetables and flowers.
Please remain seated. Sign. Plantation.
And just 13 essential elements. Some major advantages of hydroponics include better control over the root environment and root diseases via nutrients added to the water. Quite possibly the lettuce and tomatoes you buy in the market today were grown hydroponics.
Dito kami sa banana plantation, kasasakay lang namin sa train.
Now it takes about 12 months for this bunch to get to this stage. What has happened is this is shoved up the centre of the plant as the plant grows. So in every young plant you see, there is the beginning of a bunch of bananas inside it. As it gets bigger, the bunch just makes its journey up the centre. That takes about 12 months for a plant from this side to become something this size. So it's a pretty fast growth. Once the bunch is released, it then takes between 3 and 6 months to grow. If this bunch came out right at the beginning of summer, it will only take 3 months. As it's getting cooler, it will take closer to 6 months. They don't like cold weather, and that's why you don't see them south. Here in north, you see a lot of bananas. Okay, you only get the one bunch. So once we get this bunch of bananas, we'll cut the whole plant down. They reproduce by themselves, though. We don't have to play any part in the reproduction. That young plant is the reproduction. And this here is the old one. This is where we cut one down. They're just left there to rot into the soil. Now this one reproduced these two. So this one has reproduced one as well. It's a constant cycle. It goes on and on. They reproduce by themselves, and they're called the walking plants because of that. One after the other, and they slowly actually make their way up the slopes. Because this reproduction, generally, or the healthiest reproduction, comes out on the uphill side, purely weather protection. The blue on the bag absorbs the heat in winter, keeps the heat in, speeds up growth. The silver nutrients they receive are the same nutrients they just take from the soil. There's 13 essential elements in the soil we got, and we mix it with water. This is done in a large holding tank. From that tank it's pumped up. Now every thin black hose you see is a flow of nutrients coming from that. Now this system here, this whole outside system is called a closed system. And that's where all the nutrients and the water we use here, we recycle them. So they're coming in one end, that's the nutrients and the water. It flows to the far end, suck it in on the bed, and then it goes back down to the tank, and it comes up every week. Okay, I don't need to tell you this. Now there is a risk involved, but that risk is not so large because most diseases are in the soil. There's not too many diseases that are affecting hydroponics, and that's an advantage of hydroponics. So it really is. Why the plants are turning here is because they need sunlight, even sunlight distribution. Because there's plants all the way around the cylinder, each plant needs an even amount of sunlight. Now what's happening here, the root systems just hang into the centre of the cylinder. Now the nutrients spray down from the top, and as they spray down, those root systems just get saturated. Okay, it's not exactly commercially viable, but it certainly is effective, and the plants are enjoying it. That's our experiment. See what the plants and how they like it. Bigger and bigger. If we leave a bunch out there 2 weeks too long, the bananas will just be so big that they start to split. And once they split, they fall ripen. Okay, so what happens, just by looking at them, the banana growers are very skillful. They've been doing it for many years. So just a second, I'll look up the bag and say, okay, that can come in now. No, that'll wait till next week. Oh, it should have come in 3 weeks ago. Now, that's the banana grower. They don't take long at all. Now, they bring the fruit in, hang it up. Now, hanging just minimises bruising. They're not touching anything.
We're going out of control! We're lost in space!
Come over here! Come over here!
Gusto banana malaki.
Information. Ito ba yung ano, yung daluyong ba?
Para cures for cancer.
Tanggalin mo kami mo doon. Take it off. I just wanna have a look.
Where's the dinosaur? Look! Yeah, there's some people coming.
Itong view sa kuan sa banana plantation. Big Banana. Dito sa Coffs Harbour. Punta na sa dagat. Ayaw ng dagat.
Like a slide.
Yan. Medyo narito kami sa bulubundukin.
Hirap na rin si tatay lumakad eh. Kami? Yung sinasabi ko oh. Pipili pa tayo yan eh. Hindi lang siya umalis. Babalik yan.
Baba mo lang. Oo, mag-ilalagay mo para meron tayong kuha sa plantation. Picture, o.
Nasa summit ko yung view.
L.
Takot siya eh.
Ay, di pa kayo abot. Tulaya ka? Alam mo, meron din sa ilalim.
Bakit yun ang yan eh? Bakit yung isa? Pangit kasi isa eh.
Ayaw mo umakyat?
Huwag ka nang aakyat.
Ganyan na lang.
Ganyan lang pala, papasok sa loob.
Benji, madilim.
Pasok lang kayong dalawa.
Ah, doon pala ka kinukunan pala.
Oo, doon pala sa loob, ano?
Oo, nakalabas yung mukha mo.
Tatabi ako sa ano.
Akin na, Ellen. Ellen, akin na. Kung wala ka pa po. O, yung anak mo ko naman ito. Ilabas mo, ilabas mo. Sige. Para matago yung tiyang ko. Sige, sige lang. Marami ka nang maipapakita ang picture doon.
Naku talaga naman ha.
Akyat ka ba dito?
Dalawa ni G.
Dito ako dumaan.
Dali po. Ha?